Hello travellers, today we're taking a look at the Versa cap from Western Rise. At first glance this might seem quite similar to the Outlier Supermarine cap that I reviewed a while ago, but it's actually quite different in a few ways. The Versa cap is made from Western Rise's Versa fabric, which is a 92% polyester and 8% spandex material. Lightweight, 4-way stretch and waterproof. It's also crushable and has a slightly softer brim. The Outlier cap is made from a supermarine fabric, cotton, and is also water resistant, but the fabric is a little thicker and also the cap is a little more rigid. For a traveler, this means that Outlier's cap will need to be clipped to the outside of a bag or somewhere where the brim won't be distorted. However, with Versa's cap's brim, it's very crushable and bounces back, so it's great and very packable. I have found the Versa cap to be the perfect size to carry rolled up in my packable sling bag from Tenba. When you pull the hat out, you just put it on and straighten the brim a little bit, or curl it, depending on the style that you like to wear. The Versa cap uses a quick release snap on the rear buckle, and it is adjustable by moving the strap to make it tighter or looser. Outlier's cap has a similar but a little bit different snap closure, but they have recently updated to a new design which is a weird kind of cord mechanism that I personally feel doesn't look quite as classic as the Versa cap. The cap is also 100% waterproof, and as you can see here, the water and rain run straight off of it, so it makes it a great cap to wear in both rain or sun. The material is also quick drying and stain resistant, so if you ever do get it wet or soaked through, it won't take very long to dry out. My Versa cap here is in the navy colorway, and it's also available in several other colors. Links are down below if you want to check out the website for the full list of available colors. It's kind of a one-size-fits-all and is made from a 4-way stretch material, so there's a lot of adjustment in the strap. It's available on Western Rise's site for $59 or about 79 Australian, which I feel is a reasonable price for such a versatile packable cap made from such a durable and water-resistant material. It's very easy to fit into small places and it's water-resistant and comfortable, and I definitely recommend checking it out. What's your favorite hat for traveling? Do leave a comment below and let me know, and be sure to stay subscribed to keep up to date with future videos.